people on socials and YouTube keep talking about Jasper AI and comparing it to ChatGPT and other high quality AI tools. So I decided to see what all the fuss was about. Today, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Jasper AI, a popular writing tool. By using our link below, you can check it out yourself or take 2 minutes to watch my video. Organized. This is the first and most important thing I have to say about Jasper AI.
Artificial intelligence.
So if you're a neat freak like me, you have a perfect match here. It's also an AI writing tool that helps you easily create content. My second favorite thing is that it comes with Grammarly Premium included. This is great for non-native English speakers, but also for native ones. How does it work? It's like with any other tool. You sign up and you're on the dashboard. Pick any template that you want to get started. All the areas are covered. Email, socials, ads, Google, SEO, blogs, etc. All you have to do is say to Jasper what your topic is and choose a language and tone. I would warmly recommend that you check your content manually and perhaps give it a human touch, but that's just me. This tool manages with very little information to provide you with detailed content. Expand, rewrite, brainstorm with Jasper. Become a social media expert or a blog writer. Jasper AI offers people a chance to build careers. Analytics and insights show you what's currently working, and it also gives you recommendations on how to fix what's not. Workflow is simplified with a campaign acceleration tool, and it even has a bulletproof security for enterprises. So all of you big shots out there, don't worry. Click on our link below and you will be on the Jasper website where you get to click the try it out for free button. The trial is 7 days, and if you don't like it, don't forget to unsubscribe, as it will take about $100 off your card.
Because I'm all out of money!
But there's a very tiny chance that you won't like it, since it's more affordable and useful than hiring a person to do the same job. Pros: user-friendly, over 50 content templates, fast, flexible, considerably accurate content, excellent writing assistant.
I sit down and I write out all the pros and cons on an issue.
Cons: pricey. Sometimes it produces repeated content. Plagiarism check costs extra. Supports only 25 languages. My overall score is 4.5 out of 5. Now you know what all the fuss is about. Grab our link below and try Jasper AI. I'm considering becoming a marketing expert. Maybe you'll find a career too.